Owns yourself, perhaps you can forecast the weather that way as well.
Yeah, maybe so.
Who needs a satellite picture? You've got a bad hit. There you go.
There we go. Yeah, it's hurting, Neil, so that means we probably have more rain coming.
Hey, what such a deal?
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
Who needs the cows? I need the cows for burgers.
All right.
There we go.
Here we go.
Let's go ahead and talk about. Yeah, there we go. We got it working again, Neil. You broke it.
I know. Well,
a few hours ago, but we fixed it. This is why we can't have nice things here. But the sky view in downtown Tyler neurosurgical looking out there in the distance. Folks, a little bit of fog out there, some light rain as well. And this is forecasted to continue here over the next couple of hours. Now, live Viper radar, the bulk of the activity is in deep East Texas. We do have the drizzle from Smith County pointing off to the east, some heavier showers near Longview and Marshall. Other than that, to the west, not a lot of activity, but we will look at these showers through St. Augustine, northern Sabine, and Shelby County real quick. Pretty good downpour there just to the east of St. Augustine, not severe or anything like that. More intense storm over extreme southern Nacogdoches County, moving just to the east of Etoile now, and that will eventually cross into western St. Augustine County. And then as we look further off to the south and to the west, starting to see a few showers and thunderstorms across Trinity County. So we'll be watching these storms over the next couple of hours. There's still a little bit of spin in the atmosphere, so an isolated tornado or two are possible, but not likely at this point. Here's satellite and radar. There's your storm system. It continues to move further and further up to the north and to the northeast, but dry line still to our west, which will activate our weather pattern over the next couple of days, which does mean additional rain chances are on the way. And we also have a lot of Gulf moisture. We'll explain that in just a second, but temperatures are in the upper 60s and lower 70s. Dew points in the middle to upper 60s, so that Gulf moisture continues to increase. And with the possibility of more rain over the next several days, we do have a flood watch that's out until 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. So here's Futurecast. 10 o'clock tonight, still dealing with a few showers and thunderstorms, especially there in deep East Texas. That's midnight. And then as we head into tomorrow, not looking half bad in the morning. Most of us just seeing some light drizzle, maybe a light shower or two, but that activity shifts off to the north and to the northeast. We could very well see a bubble up thunderstorm or two tomorrow afternoon, but even this model has backed off on that just a little bit. And then Friday poses the same chances of rain. Now, through early tomorrow morning, the marginal risk of severe weather has left, which is good news. But as we head into Saturday and Sunday, more rain chances are on the way, and this will be a bigger storm system. Storm systems out to the west. This is Saturday morning. We're still seeing a few showers around, and then these showers and thunderstorms pretty heavy along and to the west of Interstate 35. But for us, it's really just a shower or two. Could be heavy at times, but we're still not seeing the widespread rain that they could be seeing out to the west and portions of West Texas. Still showers on Sunday, and then we'll continue to see those rain chances through Sunday and early next week. That being said, over the next 7 days, here is the rainfall forecast. For western counties, up to 2 inches of rain will be a possibility, and it will be up to 2 to 3 there in portions of deep East Texas. So to summarize, rain chances tonight, and then for tomorrow, will be in the lower 70s to start by 8 o'clock, 80s in the forecast through tomorrow afternoon and really for the next week or so. But folks, it's still an active weather pattern. Remain weather aware. You'll need to with the showers and thunderstorms in the area, because any storm in East Texas could go severe pretty quickly, upper 60s, lower 70s. And then as we look at deep East Texas, similar deal. We'll be tracking those storms over the next several days. Neil?
Don't forget